in Lak'ech. Welcome, we are the Star Teachers. And today we will continue in our short exercises to help prepare you for the collaborative ET Contact and Mass Meditation event that we'll be hosting live in conjunction with the Woodstock of ET Contact event, worldwide event, held this September 20th through 22nd, this upcoming weekend. We hope you will join us, and the details will be attached to this video for your convenience. In the meantime, we would like to invite you to join us in these simple exercises to help attune you to the higher levels of meaning and conscious awareness that we're trying to help you grow into, if you will, as you become more and more aligned with living in a higher frequency, which is our purpose for all of this. Your world is moving quickly into a greater evolved state, one that is where we now reside. For we are you, having accomplished this monumental task of liberating yourselves from the third density and moving up in frequency, letting go of duality, karmic patterning, and all negativity. You will soon be free to create, co-create, and collaborate for the greatest and the highest good for all. And so we hope you will join us. The details will be attached to this video as always. And so we would like to invite you to begin this exercise with us today. If you are in a place where you are no longer needed to be responsible, such as driving a car, operating a vehicle, or attending to any sort of responsibility for the next few minutes, if you cannot break away yet, simply stop this video and return to it when you are free from distractions for a few minutes and have no responsibilities attached to you. We want you to be very comfortable. And so if you're ready, allow yourself to settle in. Even close your eyes if you like, and take a few deep breaths. Remember that the breath is the bridge between your physical world, your body, your vessel, and your consciousness, the cosmos. With each deep breath, you allow yourself to merge these two elements of your being so that they're more coherent and aligned with the highest form of itself. So take a few deep breaths in with us. Inhale and exhale. Let the world go for a few moments as you enjoy this exercise with us. Inhale peace. Exhale release. Inhale love. And exhale love. Send it out to the universe. Share it with all. And now that you're comfortable and more relaxed, we would like for you in your mind's eye and your imagination to bring into your mind screen the memory or picture of an animal. And it could be any animal you like. A dog, a cat, a fish, a horse. Bring that image up now. Let it be a pleasing one. And allow yourself to give it all the sensory input you possibly can. How large is the animal or small? What is its shape? Its distinguishing characteristics? Does it have fur, feathers, scales, skin? Does it have a voice? How does it sound? How does it move through space? Enjoy just observing the animal for a few moments. Take note of all of its characteristics. That's right. Enjoy this time with this special animal. And then if you like, reach out and touch the animal. Perhaps stroke its fur or smooth its feathers, or enjoy the silkiness of its skin or its scales. How does it feel to stroke this animal? This gives it much pleasure, and it gives you pleasure. Continue to stroke the animal gently, and then let your hand just settle upon it or around it. Notice if there is a fragrance coming from the animal. What are the colors? What are the textures? What are your feelings? Is the animal calm or is it feisty? The animal is friendly and it's here for you. Now, from your heart, send a message to the animal, telling it you love it, you appreciate it, you love its beauty, its variety. You enjoy its spirit. Send love to the animal. Feel a connection. And then please, from your heart, ask the animal, what is your purpose? And listen for the answer without judgment or analysis. Very good. Once again, send love to the animal and then notice your connection at the heart. Feel the love that the animal is unconditionally sending to you from its heart. And that unending bond, that stream between your hearts. How lovely that feels. How absolutely pure. There is no difference, no separation between you and this creature, this other being. Feel the oneness. There is nothing separating you. You are one. And in this beautiful moment of oneness with this lovely creature, ask it if there is anything you can do for it. And again, be silent and let it come to you in whatever way you perceive the answer to come, without judgment or forethought. And then send whatever it is that needs to be done to the animal energetically. Tell empathically. Give it what it needs. And then receive what you need from this animal in the same way, knowing it is done. And then in deepest gratitude, thank the animal for its time, its presence, and its love. Allow it to recede back to where it came from, and allow yourself to return to your own conscious awareness, to your physical reality, in your current life reality, feeling rejuvenated, loved, peaceful, happy, and filled with joy and hope. We hope you enjoyed this exercise. We invite you to continue to practice it daily, for it will help you to become more and more attuned to the energetic frequency that will be needed to collaborate with us in this monumental worldwide event this weekend and beyond, as we co-create a higher level of conditioned space within and around and through your planet and for all of her inhabitants. We thank you for your work. We invite you to join us. Again, the details will be included with this video. Please share and invite everyone you know. In Lak'ech, we are another you.